Hello, everybody. Everything is possible if you believe. I repeat, everything is possible if you believe. There is nothing big that has ever been achieved on the face of this earth without believing. Many times we fail because our own doubts and fears that overshadow what we believe. There is an African proverb that says, when there is no enemy within, the enemy outside can do no harm. Now, this is a very interesting proverb. Your real enemy is not somewhere outside, he's right within you, all geared up to knock you down to the ground with his all powerful two weapons, doubt and fear. But when you refuse to allow any doubt in your mind, then no doubt from outside will ever cloud your judgment. The greatest challenge and the greatest obstacle any human being will face is their own doubts and their own fears. Have you ever seen any other species so doubtful, so fearful, and so much confused? No. You need to knock down your internal voice, which creates that doubt and fear. He's your greatest enemy. He's right in your head, and you need to knock him down. There is no greater pain than to experience your own system working against you. It's like the type 1 diabetic patient where their own system act against their body. Very sad. Now that's exactly what's happening with most of us. Our own mind is working against us, causing doubts and fear. But there is a good news. When you learn to control and direct your mind, you can direct that internal voice to work for you, not against you. Remember, your head is a battlefield and you need to fight him out. You need to fight out every doubt. You need to fight out every fear of failure. You need to fight out every judgment. You need to fight out every limitation that you have created for yourself. When the voice of the enemy in your own mind says, I'm not good enough, fight it out. When your voice within says, I'm not beautiful, fight it out. When the voice within says, I can't do it, fight it out. When the voice within says, I'm not worth to be loved, fight it out. When the voice within says, the world is against me, fight it out. When the voice within says, no one believes in me, fight it out. When the voice says, no more, I give up, fight it out. Remember, you are the masterpiece and you got to believe in it. Can you find someone just like you? No way. You're not a duplicate or a first copy of someone else. You are 100% original. You are unique. You are special. You are beautifully and wonderfully made. Imagine your mind is a small glass jar, very beautiful and fragile. You can hold only few things in it. Maybe that jar of yours is filled with doubt, anxiety, fear, judgment, low esteem, guilt, unprepared, demotivated, rejected. But every day you have to fight it out. You have to replace your jar by saying, I am blessed, prosperous, redeemed, forgiven, talented, creative, secured, disciplined, focused, prepared, qualified, motivated, valuable, free, determined, equipped, empowered, anointed, accepted, approved, and I am confident. Every day you have to tell this to your mind. You got to do this mind exercise every single day. Repeatedly, keep telling this to your mind. You have to make this 360-degree mind shift. Once you keep doing this, you will slowly open up towards new opportunities, exhibit better performance, and create a better value for your life. So today's exercise is to write down all that your inner enemy says about you, or you think that you are not confident of, on a few pieces of paper. Remember to write down every negative thing. Take time and don't miss out on one single thing. Big or small, doesn't matter. Just write down. Once you're done, burn them off. Yes, you heard me right. literally burn them off. Now take fresh pieces of paper and write down all the blessings, opportunities, talents, accomplishments. As I said, big or small, need not be great achievements, a simple one. Maybe this pandemic time you shared a meal with someone and that made you happy, and that's an achievement for you. Just pen down, write down everything, big or small, and put it in that jar. Write your name on that jar. Treasure it. Trust me, your jar will be overflowing with amazing, good, positive qualities that you actually possess. Believe in yourself. This is the first step to become 360-degree, unshakable, super confident. I'll see you in the next class. Stay blessed.